Oh, hi there, everybody in TV land. It's me again, Herbert Birdsfoot, and I'm here to talk to you today about a very important little word.
Hey, Herbie, baby!
Oh, hi, Grover.
How you doing, little Herbie?
Huh.
Are you going to talk about very important word?
Yes, I am, Grover. Would you like to help?
Oh, are you ready to help?
Oh, good. Now, here's the word. Here, do you know what the word is?
No. I have to be honest, Herbie. No.
Well, this is the word the.
Oh!
Now, it can be said either the or the, but it's still the same word. T-H-E, the.
T-H-E, the.
Right.
Very good.
Well,
I learned something new.
yes.
Ha!
Now, here's how you can help me.
What?
You sit back there.
Where? Oh, back there where that little stool is.
Right.
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to tell a little story.
Oh.
And every time the word the comes up,
Yeah.
I'm going to ring this little bell.
Oh.
Now, when I ring the little bell, you come up here and hold up the sign and say the word the. Okay?
Now, wait. I want to get this straight because I have an important job here.
Right.
Okay. Now, I am going to sit back there on that little stool with that sign. The sign that says the.
Right.
Then I am going to wait until you ring that cute little bell. And when you do, I come running up real fast and say the and show the sign. Is that right?
Right.
Ready.
Okay.
Okay, I take that sign, okay? Give me
All
the
right.
sign.
Here you are.
Oh, boy. Come on, sign. Let's go. Just a second. I'll go back there.
Okay.
Or just... Oh. Whoops, sorry. There.
Okay.
Okay?
Good. You all set?
All right, put it in this hand. I like this hand better. Okay, there. Ready?
Okay. Now, here's the story. Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a princess.
No.
I'll ring the bell when it's time, Grover.
Oh, sorry.
Now, once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a princess and a knight
Now,
and a...
right now, now.
Grover,
Huh?
I'll ring the bell when it's time. Okay?
Oh, I'm sorry, Herbie. Oh, boy.
Don't forget, Grover, I'll ring the bell.
Okay,
Yeah.
ready?
Okay. Once upon a time, faraway kingdom, there lived a princess and a knight and a dragon. Now, one day...
The.
Princess was going for a walk when who should she meet but
The.
terrible dragon. Now, she was very frightened because her boyfriend,
The.
Knight, was nowhere in sight.
The.
Dragon let out a terrible roar and
The.
Princess began to shiver. She tried to hide behind a tree, but Dragon followed her.
The.
Princess was about to give up all hope of rescue when suddenly
The.
Knight rode up to save her.
Oh, boy. The.
Knight killed
The.
Dragon and married
The.
Princess and went back to
The.
castle and lived happily ever after.
The.
End. Thank you, Grover.